Do you ever freeze when someone suddenly speaks to you in English? Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is part 5 of our series, I Can Make You Think in English. So, tell me, do you ever freeze when someone starts speaking to you in English? You understand the words, but your brain panics. What if I told you we can fix that right here, right now? This series, I Can Make You Think in English, helps thousands of English learners break the habit of translating in their head and directly thinking in English and start reacting in real English. So let's jump in and don't forget to watch this video till the end. In part 1, we started with simple thinking. In part 4, we challenged your mind under pressure. But today is all about fluency flow. How to speak without freezing, even when your mind is blank. Speed questions break the freeze. I will ask you 5 simple but fast questions in English. You have only 2 seconds to reply. Just blurt it out in English even if it's not perfect. What color is your phone? What did you do before watching this video? If I gave you a free day, what would you do? Say a sentence using the word really. What is one thing you always forget? So you are training your brain to choose English without thinking in your native language first. The second section, emotional thinking practice. Let's go deeper now. I will give you emotional situations. You will respond in your mind in English naturally. Your friend did not invite you to their birthday. What do you feel? What would you say? Someone says, you are not good at English. What's your honest reply? You are talking to your crush. They ask, why do you like me? What do you say? You failed an exam. You called your mom. What do you say? You got selected for your dream job. What do you say out loud first? How did you do? Now let's move on to section 3, the secret technique. Talk through it. Here's a trick fluent speakers use when they are speaking. Even if they don't know what to say, they keep talking. Try this. I'm not sure how to say this, but let me try. Let me think for a second. Okay, maybe I can say it like this. Now you try it. Start with, I am trying to explain something, but I need a second. Now try, I don't know the exact word, but this builds real conversation confidence. You know something, you are doing great. Fluency is not about speaking perfect English. It's about speaking without fear. It's about reacting like English is already your language. If you have made it this far, I know you are serious about English learning. And I am here to help you in every part of your journey. Just tell me in the comments if you could go back and speak English confidently, confidently in one moment of your life, what moment would it be? I just want to know all your answers. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.